Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. So it have been a long time for working in, but there's no new video update. So just want to share the tool that I just created and some of the funny things that I just realized and want to share. First of all, is the open code. Open code is just the open source. If you check the is the open code is the open source that power AI coding agents work on your terminal. From here, you can restrict your LLM model provider like a Gemini, Kiwi, and all the kind of cloud code. And from here, you can just type the code and take scan all the repo and just fix the code. That is very awesome. And I use it open code for working on terminal. So you can see in here, I just up typing the refactor my code base. My code base is working on the Python code that I want to refactor all the things, and then you can see that scan the code, fix all the recommendation. You can see that's a side by side comparison. What is changed, what is just removed. As a visualize the git, and also there's a lot of functionality that's create. I just create one prompt and that fix everything. That fix the Python refactor all the Python code using print refactor on HTML, refactor on the JavaScript code, and basically just you just want to visualize this in new structure that is recommended. You can see in the blueprint. Basically, at the original, I just had a one main file that include all the tool, and then they split into the blueprints, and from here we can register the tool and plug into our main Python code as a Flash API. Then they refactor a lot, like you can see they refactor on the statics. They static plug into the style, header JavaScript template I create for all the HTML file here, and yes, this is just a tool I create. I work on the data, work on the AI, creating all the skill assessment. I want to get up to trend. I work on the some other things, some other stuff, and I use this tool. That's very cool. And after just one and two prompts, I just want to test it, and it's run perfectly. You can see that this worked perfectly, and this is the tool that I created. You can see in the home page, I list all the tool here, and we see we need to catch up with the technical trend. We have the tech view, data engineer qualifications, Markdown entry. Markdown entry is just a tool that I can use to share all the documentation we use across device. Like I capture the note on the mobile phone, I put in here, and I capture on my working laptop from the company. I capture from here, post on here. I capture. You can see that it's just a centralized, basic centralized all the nodes of the daily basic and capture here and save it. So that's quite cool. And we have one day focus. It is the site that I created the last couple months. Just try to focus on. We can stop like the golf working hour. We can play the music like we can put the YouTube video here, music here with no ad, mean the advertising. That's pretty cool. And we have the handbook here. The handbook here is just basically I document all the story on the roadmap that I think the data engineer or data architect or whatever data developer, data analytics, so they can use to like they're reading and focus on the thing that I think that's the most important for data people. And I just create a wiki explorer. Oops, that's crash. I think so. Wiki Explorer is just a tool like you had a bubble connect the thing together. I think we have the one version here. I try to open it. It's a live version. You can use it like you click on the ad you want to explore the ad that will side. One side is showing the all the purple or the node and the vector, no, the node and the x. So in here you can focus on the reading sub, and you can like the acting. You just explore thing by click on a bubble, and then we can read all the information here. that funny things as well. I think so, and I tended to create it for my cousin and all my I think that for the kid. So I think so, and we have the leaderboard here. Leaderboard is something like if you want explore, that will create exploring part, and you can enter the name and save into that part like this type of long voice is just my name. Explore three topic, and then if you show on the leaderboard, they can show you see your actually you explore three topics. One journey, longer journey is three, and explorer is long boy. I think that's very cool. And come back to all the AI tool. This tool I use for um exploring all the issue data problem that are working on the data engineer and data architect. You see, you can read the article here. I support on the my website. Most of the time, I focus on the ETL root cause analytics, technical stack decision because I'm working on the pre-sale activity proposal on kind of stuff. I need to like work on the architecture, data platform as an advisor. I need to like the system thinker. So try to optimize the bottleneck, tech dev, all the operation overhead in the corporation. I also working on the AI model investor, like the what is technique, what a model we should use to do what. Like if we want to enhance the customer behavior, so what in a model, what is technique that I should use, like using LLM or something like that. Um, Working on the platform side, we focus on SRE right now. Or even myself focus on the SRE, focus on infrastructure, platform, reliability, reliability, disaster recovery of the platform. I want to go into deeper into the what should we focus on, and if we had any problem regarding the platform, we can put here. And last but not least, is the cost optimization strategies. Everyone wants to optimize the cost line. By myself, I'm deploy all everything into the cloud, so I observe the cost a lot. I think that's a daily, and also I observe the monitor the cost by using that I consume and monitor cost with the Gemini as well. That's really cool. And in the working professional working, I um, you know monitor support customer to monitor the cost, like using serverless. They want to automate the cost. That's a lot of things we need to focus on, right? Save the cost is a sell our job. And I can give you an example what this actually app is using. Like they will ask yourself, the tool will ask you to provide the issue, what is the issue, what is error message. Like this one is it's just I have the an issue with data flow in Spark to load data from API application to CCS. This is Google Cloud Storage. Um, and the issue like just the timeout. Um, just goes and this one I need to put some restriction for the people who access the application. I just put on the key. So without the key, you will want to do anything. And when I answer that, will use my system prompts using 5Y first principle mental model to deploy and find a lot of information here. And from that information, you basically can understand what is the bottleneck of your data pipeline. And from here, we list out all the 5 why. The first thing is why did the ETL pipeline timeouts. The first principle, reading API, present Spark, writing in CSS did not complete within configure time limit. So, and the second why is the why the Spark is it in timeout waiting for response from the API or not. And third is drill down into action process or possibility from why number two. from here we can see that there are four positively issue that may cause the timeout error, and from here they deeper understand, deeper investigating the issue, and they a lot of fancy stuff here. And five for the number four and number five, so they identify the root cause, often the policy or design or personal gap. So a lot of things, and also they summarize potential root cause, next step, and remediations. That's very cool. By using the semantic model prompting, so I think that our prompting model would work a lot of more efficient and like professional. So we are professional, we're using AI, we just not using the prompt for just basic concept like typing hi, what is the error, please fix it. From this tool, I think that's for my personal use. I think we can use the tool, create a file while using first principle or secondary foundation. We use some kind of methodology principle to apply when you prompt, create a system prompt, use it as a tool and enhance the productivity and system thinking. I think that very much about the tool, and that everything I want to share.